Good morning students, I am Ashma, your science teacher. Okay, so let's open your science book, chapter 2, the teeth. So our topic is the teeth. Okay, do you know teeth are very important part of our body. Why it is? Any of you? Why it is important part of our body? Because it gives shape to our face. Okay, it gives shape to our face and it helps us to bite and chew food. They help us to speak clearly. They help us to speak clearly. So that's why teeth are very important part of our body. So we have two sets of teeth. We have two sets of teeth. Okay, what are they? Two sets of teeth. First one is permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. Okay, and other one is temporary teeth. Okay. So now we will explain both the sets of teeth one by one. Okay. So let's start from the temporary teeth. Okay. What is temporary teeth? You all know that we all are born without teeth. When we born, we have no teeth. Teeth start to develop from the age of 6 months. When we are 6 months old, then our teeth starts to grow. By the age of 3, a child has 20 teeth. Okay, by the age of 3, a child has how many teeth? A child has 20 teeth. Okay. A child has 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. Okay. And the 20, or we can say that set of 20 teeth is known as temporary teeth. Okay. And temporary teeth are also known as milk teeth. So if I ask you from that what is the other name of temporary teeth, then that answer will be milk teeth. Okay. So what is temporary teeth? We all are born without teeth. By the age of 3, we all have 20 teeth. That set of teeth is known as temporary teeth or milk teeth. Okay, so come to the next one, that is permanent teeth. For the age of 6, from the age of 6, a child start losing the milk teeth. Okay, you all know that we lose our teeth at the age of 6. As the milk teeth fall, new teeth grow in the place. Okay, suppose once our milk teeth fall, then it will grow into the place. this new set of teeth is called permanent teeth, and that new set of teeth that will grow after or when our milk teeth fall, that set is known as permanent teeth. That set is known as permanent teeth. Okay. So an adult has set of 32 teeth. How many set of teeth has an adult? It has set of 32 teeth. An adult has set of 32 teeth. There are 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. Once a permanent teeth is lost, no new teeth grows in that place. Okay, so 32 set of teeth is further divided into two parts, in upper jaw and lower jaw. So 16 is in upper and 16 is in lower. Now if they will fall or they will lose, then no new teeth will grow on that place. Okay, so this is all about permanent teeth and temporary teeth. In the next class, we will read about kinds of teeth, how many kinds of teeth we have, and about all their features. Thanks and have a nice day.